Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo A31 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can do hard reset or factory data reset on your phone Oppo A31. First of all, long press this power button to switch off your phone. Long press this and swipe from the middle like this and your phone will be switched off. Just wait few seconds. Now you have to use power button and volume down button together. Press together power button and volume down button and hold them for few seconds. About 5 seconds and release. Now hard reset menu will appear. Just wait. Yes, here select English. Now click on wipe data. Now give your pattern that you have already set in your phone. Otherwise it will not be asked. And here select format data. Second option, click OK and wait few seconds for formatting. Yes, format is complete. Click OK and your phone will be restarted automatically. And wait few seconds. Now you have to set your phone like a fresh one. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Here select skip. Click on continue. Click on don't copy. Click on skip. Skip. Click accept. Accept terms and conditions from Google. Wait few seconds. Skip this step. You can set it later. Click on continue. Click on continue. Click on set as new Oppo phone. Click on get started. Click on get started here. Yes, ColorOS 6 has been initiated. So in this way you can easily do hard reset or factory data reset. That's all friends. Bye.